Ano? Make our kitchen. Okay po ah. Kami dah. Ini kami dah wine lagi. Baru mahir. Deh. Go swimming di sini mau. Go to swimming. Mau nak makan kan?
Tempat biar
Can I get a stick for me to play?
Ken, you go there, find it.
Bảy nước ta sắp nhỉ? Khi mình đắp lên rồi.
Ini dah mau.
Isi asap lagi naday ya.
Hah?
Isi asap naday ya mo.
Babi. Bubuk lidah. Lidah babi. Lari nak. Tang.
Hah?
Babi tang. Lidah. You want to eat this? Tunaw tu deh, bulu tu. Ada ya. Atas ni. Rigai, kada suap ko. Lawak.
Rangkai ini. Nalulok.
This is the nice thing like that.
Ada tu agak.
Oh, tak. Rangkai gede ah. Mana mandi mau?
A fish! Hey! Daddy, I caught a fish! A small one.
How big is that?
It's just small. Come here, Daddy. Daddy, come here. Why did you not see it?
Where?
Look, see? It's there. Look closely. You just sit and look. Oh, I think it's run away.
This one, this one. You can see that, a small one. This one.
Oh, I found it. I found it. Oh, you little guy.
Is it still there?
Yes, I think so. Ooh, rainbow. SpongeBob. There's somewhere here. Some of them are big. And they're...
Kasih sedikit.
Kaya.
Perut babi. Babi stomach.
Look, it's in our
Buru lah. Yang na kayo. Panggang oh. Yeah, not really lah, but you need to be careful. This is daguk babi. You know daguk kah?
Neck?
Yes, it's neck. Neck area. This is very delicious one. You must eat this, okay?
Delicious.
Very delicious, yummy. You must try this and eat this. This delicious thing.
Stinky poop. We must eat that ugly stinky poop.
Ugly sticky poop.
The one.
Oh. All of the thigh inside the babi, take off, and then eat the cover of the thigh. Thigh cover, or how to sarang,
Poop cover.
Poop cover. It's what to call that? I don't know. The real name, the specific name of that thing. I don't know.
I don't know if that. What is that? What is that?
Thigh, huh?
It's the same, but why is the different color?
I don't know. God made that like that. Alright.
We talk about pigs.
Yes, we talk about pig.
Daddy, help me get out of here. Come on. It's cold. I don't want to be slipped.
Wait, jadi ngagap nyepit.
Ini kenain dia.
What is Daddy doing?
How to call this? Penyepit ah.
Making what?
Huh?
What is Daddy making?
Okay, dikenda.
Oh no!
Like this ah. Nah, see?
What is Daddy doing?
Nah, penyepit babinya. Nah, easy to use, easy to make. Just make it from bamboo.
Ah!
Sorry.
Ah!
Ada.
Ah!
Gimana?
Okay.
Daddy, please, Uncle, give me the.
Nó tụi bầu
Bao nó mà.
bầu cây làm mọ
Bao chum bukan sawo semua.
Ares makai babi Ares
Enggak.
oh ini nggak ada ah oh Mana? Kalabo. Oh.
Kenapa, Pak?
Có payet tuh.
Payet. Kena temu kena payet.
Ah,
Ya,
yang mayatnya.
Ya, mulai meleng. Nggak kena temu kena payet. Ya, kuning yang payet.
Udah kali ya lagu ini.
Udah masuk. Ya, dikasih aja. Banget.
Labah nih. Nggak ya lidah. Ah, oke. Jangan nih. Jangan nih.
Banget.
Baik labuh.
Ya, enggak mantap.
Bơ. Kan jalan buah. Hei.
Gosok.
fit here. You fit this one.
Okay, fine. Here, like this.
2, 1, go, jump. Jump daar, kasih ya. No, you try, you should try. More deep, more deep.
I don't want it.
No, it's very fun. That's why it's
Help me.
Can you stand again? Yes, yes. Can I hold your hand? Yeah, because yeah. Okay, and then you jump. Nah. If more higher, it's very nice. You need to jump like this.
Oh, I don't want
Like
it.
like a clock. Like this. Yeah. Wah. The yellow durian. Gua pakai. Bisa.
Oh, sabun.
Hmm?
It smells like sabun.
Sabun? Yes, it's very nice. Come. Bore. Bore is coming, nak. Namra kita ya bore today. Bore. Bore. Kumain dulu. Puri. Yes.
Daddy, I am drawing.
What are you doing there?
Drawing.
You love drawing. What is your drawing? What is your drawing?
I like art, creative, activity, everything like. I
Oh.
was creating a bag, a mini one.
You love draw.
I like drawing, making the other one. Also.
A small thing.
And I make a mini pencil and a book. An eraser.
But you wet. You try draw a tree there. A lot of tree. Draw. Bore.
What's the tree with the?
Like a sawit one. Pantu. Upa pantu. Pun pantu na.
Then what about that? Up there, the tall one, that one.
Oh, dabay. Buah dabay.
That one,
Pelam.
the big one.
Kabang.
Wow, so many trees, different trees. That's bamboo.
Yes, the bamboo.
Mm,
But in English, I don't know how to call it. Kabang, durian, dabay, pelam. See?
Oh wow! Hey, baby.
What? Where? The big one? Oh, randau, It's a randau, like a Tarzan one.
It's just like a playground for monkey.
Oh, nya randau. Randau kayu na. Monkey love that. You want to be monkey?
No. Some of the other wild people last time do that.
Yeah, yes.
Like a monkey. I'm done, Daddy. Here.
What's your draw?
It's a garden for us next time, for our house next time. Can I have a garden like this?
Can. You love flower, right?
Yes.
Garden, everything.
I like
The
this
nature
garden.
stuff. Wow, you draw very nice.
This is cactus.
Mm.
This is for you to put some seed. If you want to plant something like a flower, you just take from here whatever you want, like tomatoes. Some of like strawberries. Is strawberry plant small?
Yeah.
Oh. And this is the garden accessory. Here's the table for to draw something or do something creative, like some of the other arts. This is a backyard.
Nice one. You can eat there or drink there.
Yes,
What do you want to drink there and eat there?
just eat something like
Bread babi.
Wah! No,
Makan kebelah ni nek.
not that one.
No, that one.
Something like KFC.
Pun kepayang. May buahnya. Nanti lepas dah bak kamera tu. Oh, say. Ni lagi, ayuh ndanya. Baru labuh. Kaya kemayuh tau. Ngumpul buah kepayang nak. Simpan dah. Main ada nyamuk dia.
You mean like that?
Nyak buah kepayang punya. Tanjut non, kita ke bawah ke. Main ada nyamuk.
Coba benda market. Sepalagi kena kumpul kau.
Daddy, look!
Lagi
Mana,
apa
Mak?
empat lagi wah.
Mushroom, come here. Here's one,
Ya, dia tu dia tak. What?
two. Look, I found a mushroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a lot. 7, 8, 9, 10.
What is that?
7, 8, 9. I want to find 10. Where's 10?
White mushroom.
Look at this one. It's brighter.
Suminah tadi bu.
Macam kau tahu dia kan. Nana kalau berpanan ni memang perarau kau kau mana ya.
Daddy, I want burrow.
Kemarin itu, kemarin.
I want to sit there.
I bring my camera.